What's up, everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic, back with another video. So, hey, look, today I just want to show y'all a little update what I've been doing to my car so far, pretty much all of the add-ons and everything, you know. So, hey, look, wanted to share it with y'all and let y'all see the results, you know. So, I call it a work in progress, but hey, I'm coming along with it. So, hey, look, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here we go. This is my car right here. Y'all see it? I call it the Mechanic Mobile. Y'all see the name on top of the windshield right there. That's right, DJ Ron the Mechanic. That's right, that's right. So yeah, this is my car right here. It's a 2015 Nissan Versa SV. So just wanted to show y'all some of the things I done added on. See if I can get this light going. So that way y'all could actually see. All right, there we go. All right, so here's under my hood. Y'all see the work I've done. Y'all see all the blue I done painted on there. Yep, did all this here. I even got the little cover right there to cover the bolts that go for the front struts. So I got my little flex loam colored, the cap, top part of the engine. You know, just little small, little minor stuff. That's what I call. Y'all see that? Which is my favorite color, by the way. That's right, old blue. And next to it also, I have the light right there, LED light strip. And I don't know if you can see right up underneath there. That's a light strip also. Showing y'all some of my installed. Of course, you see that big fuse. You already know what time it is. That's for the rear right there. That goes for my audio system. That's right. Y'all see I got all my, well, not all my pieces of blue, but just a few that I want to change, pretty much. Y'all see that? Like I said, that's my favorite color there. Like it. Yep. And I did all this myself right here. This is all my work right here. All of it. Look, I even painted the liner also. See that? Yep. Got it all blued out there. Okay, bagging on up some. Of course, y'all see those are my wheels on there. And right below, I have some more lights. Y'all can see that real good. And on the inside there, y'all see, painted my calipers. That's right. You see I got my little vent markings right there. And you can tell by the light, look at that. Ooh, that thing clean, ain't it? That's right, I keep it clean, keep it clean. All right, going on to the sides there, pretty much. Y'all see, I wrapped the little outside parts of the doors, the door pillars also. See, I wrapped carbon fiber, wrapped all that. Yep, even to the mirror, y'all see it. And coming on back, here's the other door, do the same thing. Y'all see my name right there. Y'all see I have all this here wrapped. I liked it that, you know. To me, it's a whole lot better than that regular black rubber that was on there. Now, I even thought about doing this part here on the door too. I think that'd have been pretty cool, but I'm gonna leave it like it is for right now. So I'm good with that. And of course, that's my car club right there. One Nemesis, that's right. And you see I have the little carbon fiber strips right there on the doors. And look, check out the door handles. Y'all see that? That's right. Got the door handles there, all done up. And as we go to the top of the car, look. Y'all see we got the carbon fiber wrapped light right there at the top. And yes, this light does work. It functions as a brake light and a turn signal. So yeah. And plus it has a Bluetooth app, so which I can make it change colors also. So yeah, I got a lot with this one here. Yeah. Now this right here is normally one that they require, you know, to go on top of the trunk, you know, if you don't have a little wing, whatever, something. But I'm like, nah, I did not want that, you know. So instead, hey, I mounted it right on top. You know, hey, look, I have a small car, so that way they can see me real good. And look, you see the little trenches right there? Yep, I carbon fiber wrapped all that too, from the front to the back. That's right. And back here, you see my rotor back there. You see it's blue also. That's right. So I have my name right down the back end. All right, here to the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Y'all see that? I just love that carbon fiber wrap, man. Love it. Have all that there. Now, for the inside of the car, what I have so far. Okay, so on the doors, right there, y'all see I gotta use this light because it's a little dark up in here. See my Scotch super tweeter right there. This part right here, I rewrapped that. This here from the factory comes with a cloth material instead. So I took all that off and redid all that. Yep. Even the door, I ordered that piece right there. Replaced all that. I even have the carbon fiber wheel cover. Y'all see? That's right. And of course, here's my radio. My old Pioneer. Let me see. This is, let me see what model. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Let me try and zoom in. But Pioneer has always been one of my favorite radios, though. Always. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. All right, there's the model. It's a AVI CX 950BH. Let me see what it has on it. See that Bluetooth HD radio, satellite radio on there, DVD. Of course, I use all the functions on it. Of course, it has the navigation on there. Now, keep in mind, now this unit here came out before they had the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that tells you I done had this model here a long time. But hey, it does what it needs to do for me, you know. Look, it even has a mini SD card slot there, so basically I can play music off of the mini SD card slot, and it has USB input also. Up here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's my mirror right there. It comes on with the car when I turn it on, kind of like what you'll see on the Corvettes and the Cadillac trucks. Same thing. See my tweeter over there. Do the same thing in this door here. Have lights inside also. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see that? That's right. Got the lights on the inside. But I'm gonna have to do one of those videos at night, so that way y'all can actually really see the whole setup, you know what I mean? All right, let's head to the back. Look, I'm walking around with this big old flashlight just so y'all can see what's going on. All right, looking in the rear right here, you see I have TVs in the headrest. And look up, we have a TV right there. That's a 12-inch flip down right there. Like I said, screens in the headrest, 2 7-inches. Over there, y'all see my DS18 tweeters right there. They light up also. And of course, my center console that I built. Lights on the inside of it, then plus this cup holder, it lights up also. And you see that little piece right there? It's a little voltmeter, plus it has a charging port on it. Back here is my rear. So I have 2 more tweeters back here. And of course, 6x9, 4 ways. See my little Scar Audio sign I made back there. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and show that amp board. Like I said, I'm kind of like in the dark a little bit on y'all, so bear with me. There we go. The amp rack. Y'all see it? Try to get y'all some good lighting. Right there. That's my Matrix Plus from Audio Control. This right here, old school Rockford Fosgate 600.4. I got a fan on top of it. And of course my Scar Audio RP1200.1D. And of course you see I have an LED light right there too. Also. Yep. And of course, let's go ahead and pop that trunk right quick. Go ahead and show y'all, for those that haven't seen it. So there we go. All right. Let's see if I can get a better angle right here. So this is my trunk setup right here. Y'all see it? This is a Scar Audio box. Nothing too fancy right here. These are the SDR12s that's in the box. You see I have an LED strip right there. See I made the little floor piece right there. I made that. Of course, I made the little sides right there, little side panels. And over there, you can see right there, you see I have a excess power battery back there, in which my whole entire amp rack all is connected to it. So that's how that looks. Then plus, I bought some fabric and I covered the whole box myself. So I changed the color on it, you know, took it from the regular black carpet to, you know, something kind of like match the color of the car pretty much on the inside of the trunk. So yeah, I went with the all gray look. Y'all see that? That's right. And of course, I have the LEDs on the trunk lid also. So that's why I say I gotta give y'all a good little light show. I'm gonna do that on the next video for y'all. Ooh, man, y'all hear that trunk? Oh my goodness. And of course, I do have sound deadening. Y'all hear that? Listen to these doors. That's right, solid. All 4 doors, the whole entire back of the trunk, the lid, I have sound deadening on that. Yeah, to keep all the rattling down, pretty much. But it still flexes, so it's still good. Yep. So that is pretty much it, y'all. So that's what I've been pretty much been working on. You know, been getting it updated a little bit. Like I said, it looks a little different there, you know. Like I said, got the wheels on there finally. Got the lights. Y'all see up under the engine there, got it all blued out. But yep, there's more to come though, y'all. More to come. So look, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. So, and just want to give y'all this little update here on pretty much a lot of stuff I've been working on in the background. Been getting it right. Y'all see that. So look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell, y'all, so you won't miss a video. That's right. So on the next one, like I said, I gotta do this for y'all. You know, I have to give y'all the full show of the car with everything on. I mean, hey, look, it's gonna blow y'all mind when y'all see it, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna be like, wow, man, he did all that. I'll be like, yes, sir. But yep, as you see, I got it in the garage. We just chilling. That's it, staying clean. So, hey, look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, I will catch y'all on the next video. Like I said, turn on that notification bell, y'all. That's right. And look, watch those ads. You know, help us out now. Help us out. Watch those ads. You know, hey, look, that's how we get our little small little coins from YouTube now. Watch those ads for us now. Help us out. Help us out. All right. Hey, look, also, hey, I'd like to give a big shout out to the one and only Nancy B the Scratcher. That's right, y'all. She just cracked over what, 21, I think 2,200 friends on YouTube. That's right. Give her a big hand clap, y'all. And also, she has a coin for sale too. So y'all might want to check that out. The information is on her YouTube channel. So make sure y'all go check her out, y'all. Nancy B the Scratcher. All right. Hey, that's it for me. Hey, look, I am out. And I will catch y'all on the next video.